Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You open Only Way and grant the minimal permissions it asks for so it can read photos and save captures. Tap the plus button to import from your device or choose camera to take a shot right now. Create an album immediately or pick an existing one to keep items organized. Once done, set the album privacy to locked, shared, or local so you control access. This prevents accidental exposure and makes it faster to find what you need next. You now tidy the collection. Use multi-select to move images into albums, apply tags, or batch delete unwanted items in one motion. Tap any photo to open the editor where you can crop, rotate, adjust exposure, apply a filter, or add text annotations. Make subtle edits rather than overprocessing. Once edited, add tags and stars. Then enable Smart Albums so Only Way auto-groups items by date, tag, or face recognition. This saves time and keeps navigation fluid as you finish by sharing or saving. Choose Share to send a link, post to social apps, or export originals to device storage. Set an expiration on shared links for privacy. Then enable cloud backup and also create a local encrypted backup to guard against data loss. If syncing or uploads fail, check that you're on Wi-Fi, confirm there's enough free storage, and verify Only Way still has required permissions. Restarting the app or toggling backups often resolves stuck jobs quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.